Good morning, students. Today we are starting our chapter 17 and 18 from our GK book. Chapter 17 is Playing Arenas. The playground of different games are known by a specific name. The game where we play, these areas are known by the specific names. We have to match the names of games with the names of playing areas where they are played. So first one is cricket. Cricket is played in pitch. This is the pitch. This is the pitch. And second one is baseball. Baseball is played in ground. So it is the ground. Chess. Chess is played on a board. So here it is the board. It is the chess game. Boxing. Boxing is played in a ring. Ring. So here it is the ring. This is the ring. And next one is volleyball. Volleyball is played in a court. It is the court. This is the court. And next one is shooting. Shooting is done in range areas, range halls. So it is the range hall. Next one is wrestling. Wrestling is done in arenas. So it is the wrestling. Next one is billiard. Billiard is done on table. Here it is the table. Next one is skating. Skating is done on rink. Here is the ring. So it is the skating. And next one is polo. Polo is done on a ground. Diamond. Where is that diamond? Here it is. Polo is done on a diamond. It is the polo. Next one is golf. Golf is done on green. It is played on a green areas. So this is the polo. And last one is diving. Diving is done on in a pool. So it is the pool. So these were the areas where we play different types of games. So next chapter is book word. About the book, we will know about some books. Read the clues. We have to tick the correct name of the book. Read the clues and tick the correct names of the books. In this book, first one is, in this book, a willy woodland mouse manages to escape from being eaten by predators by telling them that an imaginary monster is going to appear at any minute. First one is Cinderella. Second is Good Night Moon, and third one is Gruffalo. So answer is the Gruffalo. Third answer. Second one is, this children's novel written by L. Frank Baum recounts the adventures of a girl named Dorothy. In this book, Dorothy meets a scarecrow, a tin man, and a cowardly lion. Answers are The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, Dorothy and the Tin Man, and the third one is Dorothy and the Wizard. So correct answer is first one, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Third one is The main character of this book by Mark Twain is a carefree young boy who grows up in a small town in America. He lives with his half-brother Sid and his cousin Mary and his aunt Polly. Answers are The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, The Adventures of Rusty, and The Adventures of Railway Boys. The answer is the first one, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Fourth one, this is a novel about the adventures of a mischievous wooden puppet and his poor father, a wood carver named Gepetto. It is written by a Carlo Collodi. Options are The Adventures of Tinku. Second is The Adventures of Pinocchio. And the third one is The Adventures of Rohan. The answer is second, The Adventures of Pinocchio. The last one. In this book, an orphan girl is taken to live with her grandfather in the Swiss Alps. Options are Dorothy, Annie, and Hildy. The answer is third one, the Hildy. So these were your chapter 17 and 18. You have finished. So complete these chapters in note and book both and learn. Thank you, students.